આપણી સાથે જોડાઈ રહ્યા છે પુરવાનકરાનું મેનેજમેન્ટ કંપનીના સીઈઓ સાઉથ મલાના સસાલુ। सर गुड आफ्टरनून, स्वागत है सीएनबीसी बाजार पर। सर पहले एक शुरुआत करना चाहेंगे डिमांड और सेल्स मोमेंटम के साथ। जैसे कंपनी ने यहाँ से डिलीवर किया है अ स्ट्रॉन्ग 28% ऑफ ग्रोथ इन प्री सेल्स टू 1439 करोड़ इन Q1 FY27। सर क्या की ग्रोथ ड्राइवर्स रहे बिहाइंड दिस परफॉर्मेंस?
चानी जी, मुझे इस शो में बुला करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। जैसा आपने कहा, इस क्वार्टर हमारा बहुत अच्छा चला है। 1439 करोड़ रुपीस का हमने सेल्स किया है। अगर आप कंपेयर आप अगर कंपेयर करेगा तो पिछले साल का 1224 करोड़ थे। उसकी वजह से 28% का बढ़त मिली है हमें। इसी तरह हमारा कलेक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा हुआ है। इस क्वार्टर में 1198 करोड़ का कलेक्शन हुआ है, compared to 857 crores in the same quarter of the previous year। और एक बात बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, वो जो हमारा एवरेज प्राइस रियलाइजेशन पर स्क्वायर फीट जो है वो 8,988 से लेकर 10,589 तक गया है। उसकी वजह से 18% का बढ़त उधर भी मिला है। मार्केट अच्छा इसका वजह आप पूछ रहे हैं तो मार्केट अच्छा है और हमारा प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छा है एंड लोग भी हमारा प्रोडक्ट्स को पसंद करके इतना अच्छा हमको सेल्स दिया है इस साल इस क्वार्टर पे।
राइट सर। सर एज यू मैंशनड अबाउट प्राइस रियलाइजेशन, जो एक इंक्रीज देख रहे हैं 18%, तो सर ये जो ग्रोथ है वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है बीइंग ड्रिवन बाय प्रीमियमाइजेशन रादर देन वॉल्यूम्स, क्या व्यू रहेगा ऑन दैट?
There are three things for this. One is that the product quality which have been recently launched in the last quarter of the last year, or of a little bit of premium quality, and also we have taken the price up in many other all our markets wherever it is possible. And the third thing is demand is very good. So because of which what you can see is that the prices have now we have taken the price up to 10,589। So yeah।
सर सबसे ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन फॉर प्री सेल्स ग्रोथ कहाँ से देख रहे हैं? बेंगलुरु, चेन्नई, हैदराबाद या फिर और कोई सदर्न सिटीज़?
इस क्वार्टर में मुंबई और पुणे भी बहुत अच्छा सेल्स किया है। 395 करोड़ रुपीस का सेल्स किया है इसकी। और बैंगलोर से सबसे ज़्यादा आ रही है। सो साउथ से 833 करोड़ रुपीस का सेल्स आ चुका है। सो हर जगह जहाँ कहीं भी हमारा प्रोजेक्ट्स है हम अच्छा सेल्स देखे हैं। मगर गोवा में थोड़ा स्लो चल रहा है, थोड़ा देखभाल करना पड़ता है उसको, नहीं तो हर जगह हमारा अच्छा चल रहा है।
के फ्रंट पर जानना चाहेंगे, क्या आप विटनेस कर रहे हैं स्ट्रॉन्गर डिमांड फ्रॉम एंड यूजर्स और इन्वेस्टर्स इन योर की मार्केट्स?
हमारा की मार्केट्स में एंड यूजर्स ही ज्यादा है, कोई बल्क परचेजर्स है ही नहीं है। जो भी अगर रिटेल बायर्स रहेंगे, वो किसी के पास एक अपार्टमेंट रहेगा और एक अपार्टमेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए जो लोग करते हैं फैमिली का इन्वेस्टमेंट या बच्चों के लिए या कुछ फ्यूचर के लिए कुछ इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, जो इतना छोड़ के कोई बल्क इन्वेस्टर्स वो है ही नहीं है हमारा। हर मार्केट में जो आप बैंगलोर ले लो, चेन्नई, हैदराबाद, कोचीन या गोवा या मुंबई और पुणे में भी हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम एंड यूजर को ही देख रहे हैं।
Okay, and sir, now some points on pricing and customer trends. Average realization सर यहाँ से देखें is close to 10,500 per square feet. कितना sustainable है ये pricing momentum going ahead?
ये आप जो देख रहे हैं, whatever the numbers that you are seeing are all coming from the sustenance. They're all sustainable because these prices have been established and we still have quite a number of units to be sold in the projects where we have launched, which means that it is a sustainable price. In fact, I am expecting this per square feet realization to move up because we are going to have new launches in this quarter, particularly second quarter में बैंगलोर से 4 और कोचीन से 1 लॉन्च है और उसका रियलाइजेशन हम ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है। 10,500 से ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है। इसीलिए आई एम सीइंग दैट इन दिस एंटायर ईयर दैट our average realization will go up compared to 10,589 also.
Okay, sir. And sir, what kind of customer preferences are emerging in South Indian residential market, like premium homes, plotted developments, or luxury projects?
See, Bangalore is a 360-degree market. There is a market for every price bracket. And now, basically, now because of the construction cost and land cost, that you will not be able to produce anything less than 7,500 rupees per square feet on saleable area, which means that you will only be seeing that from 7,500, and that's how that we have reached around 10,589 square rupees per square feet. The two bed, what used to happen 3 years back is that quite a bit of demand was there for two-bedroom apartments, and slowly now people are preferring to be coming into three-bedroom apartments. It's quite understandable because people are working from home and they see that post-COVID home as an important aspect of somebody's.
जो company has completed 4 land transaction with a gross development value of 5,200 crore in Q1. Sir, can you elaborate on these opportunities?
Yeah. So all the 4 opportunities are from Bangalore. One is called Mandur, and this is in Old Madras Road, off Old Madras Road. It's around 14.57 acres of land with a developable area of 1.8 million square feet. And the top line of this project could be around 2,300 crore rupees. It's largely we have purchased it, and a small portion of joint development has been done on this project. The other one is called Doddagubbi. This is again in Bangalore North, and it's around 11.23 acres and with a developable area of around 721,000 square feet. And we are looking at a GDV of 1,100 crore rupees on this property. And this is a joint development agreement with almost 68% is ours. So Sanna Manikere, this is around 9.73 acres, and this is again in Bangalore North, and we're expecting around 800 crore rupees of developable value on an area of around 0.28, about 0.82 million square feet of developable area. This is in Bangalore North, after the airport and very close to the airport, in fact. And then we have in Sarjapur Road, just off Sarjapur Road, 500 meters from Sarjapur Road, we have 6.4 acres of land that we have entered into a joint development agreement, and it's close to 1 million square feet of developable area. We are expecting around 10 to 11, 1,000 to 1,100 crore rupees of top line on this project. Sanna Manikere, that was a purchased land. So otherwise, Mandur substantially purchased, and there are 2 JDs and 2 purchased properties. So all addition is 5,200 crore rupees of total gross developable value that we have done in the first quarter of this year.
One more thing on the recent development, that company has signed a definitive agreement with ICICI Prudential AMC for the sale of Purva Zentech. So, क्या strategic rationale है behind this transaction?
The strategic idea here is that we have leased around 35 to 40% of the property has been leased, and some parts of the property is also sold to retail investors and retailers who wants to open their office there. And this is, in fact, we have got 100,000 square feet of ground and first floor is leased to IKEA. And the whole idea here is to sell this one so that there is a cash flow that we're going to get around 650 crore rupees of cash flow, which we have 625 crore rupees of cash flow, which we are going to get. Because of which, by the nature of the deal itself, around 350 crore rupees of debt is going to get reduced from where we are. That's one of the ideas. And so that the remaining money will be pumped back into new business development and making sure that the growth continues.
And sir, now on buyer sentiment, कहाँ से ज़्यादा contribution आप देख रहे हैं, from lower interest rate or improving affordability?
See, affordability, as it was defined in maybe 2013 or 2014 as 45 lakhs rupees per unit, and it no more holds good, right? It's because, even if you add normal inflation into these numbers, and today it's 80 lakhs rupees and above, you can consider 80 lakhs, around 80 lakhs and 2 crore rupee is considered to be affordable in particularly in cities like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Pune, and Mumbai is a different story. The interest rates, as far as the interest rate is concerned, I think the 5.25 or 5.35 repo rate is good, and the RBI has held the interest rate intact, and which has worked out very well despite many number of worldly events that have happened. But interest rates have remained steady, and that's one of the factors for, I must say, that one of the factors for the real estate industry doing well in recent times, and of course continue to sustain that kind of demand.
And at last, the company remains on track to achieve its FY27 sales guidance of 11,200 crore across southern and western regions. Sir, what gives you this confidence to achieve this target?
What you see, the 1,400 odd crore rupees of sales that what we have done in the first quarter is all coming from sustenance, and we have really some strong launches that are being lined up, and we've got around 25 projects that are to be launched in this year. Maybe out of that, 7 or 8 projects are from projects which have already approved, and it is called what we call the phase launches, new towers to be launched, etc. That's around 7 or 8, and 18 of them are 18 of them are new launches, and 14 coming from Bangalore, and 3 coming from Cochin, and 2 from Chennai, and 1 from Coimbatore, and 3 from Mumbai. So I think more or less that if you look at that kind of a launch pipeline, which it's a launch that is actually pushed from last year to this year, and I think then that is the reason where our confidence comes from. And also the first quarter, even though we didn't launch any project, the sustenance itself has given some great numbers, and which is very encouraging.
Sir, pleasure interacting. Thank you for connecting. काफी details आपने share की. Sir, best wishes for coming quarters. Thank you.
Thank you, Janji. Thank you.